It's Rickita, I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys about 3 credit card approvals. And guess what? No hard inquiry at all. They don't care what your credit looks like. And if you guys are trying to build your credit and for some reason you just cannot get approved for credit cards, then this is a great opportunity for you all. Now, make sure you make investments into yourself and understand that you were not able to get approved for other credit cards and that these credit card companies were going to actually take a chance on you. So let's actually go in and look at these different credit cards. And if you guys ever have any questions about accounts or credit cards, please schedule a call with me right on my website, Rickita.com. You can click right here and schedule a call with me. I'll be happy to help you all. And if you guys too, while you're on my website, if you ever have any negative accounts, get my free dispute letters right here. Go ahead and get the free dispute letters. Start removing them negative accounts because sometimes I talk to people and they have negative accounts and it's like, please start this process as soon as possible to see if you can get it removed because a lot of times I can possibly help you afterwards, but try to do it on your own. It's free, it's quick, it's free letter. Mail it in and then we can talk really after that. Now, if you go down, you'll be able to see these credit cards on my website. I just have to show you where. And those credit cards are right here in the best credit cards for bad credit. So if you guys were to click there, I want to show you guys these credit cards that is going to really help you. So the first credit card is actually the Self Visa credit card. Now, this Self Visa credit card, honestly, this is going to be with Self. You cannot just get that Visa credit card right away. It's certain things that you have to do to be able to get this Self Visa credit card. I'm going to show you exactly what you have to do to be able to get it. So let's go ahead and click here. If you click the apply link, it's going to take you right to the applying part, but I want to make sure I can be able to show you certain things first so that you can fully understand how this Self Visa card is going to work because there's more stuff to it, okay? So to get this Self Visa account, you first have to have their regular self account where it's an installment account. So you're going to get 2 accounts in one, which is really amazing. You're going to start building your credit faster. My credit score went up over 165 points with being with Self, which is why I continuously talk about them because it's a great way to start building your credit. So you have to pay 25, 35, 48, or even $150 per month. This is the installment account first. You have to do that for 24 months. You can just do the $25 per month. They're going to report that to the credit bureaus. Watch how much your credit scores go up. And check out some other videos so you can see like how much other people said it went up. But you do that, and then once you get that account set up, then you'll be able to actually open up this credit card. So they say first open up that credit builder account to start building your credit. Okay, done. We got that done. You have to make sure you make 3 payments on time. Check, we got that done. We're going to make sure we make 3 payments on time. You have to have at least $100 or more in your savings progress. Check, we're going to have that done. Now, keep this in mind. If you guys were to choose that $25 plan, you're going to have to go 4 months because you're only going to have $75 saved. So just keep that in mind. You can't do the 3 months of on-time payments because you're going to miss this one. Let's say you have to have at least $100 or more. So understand that you have to do 4 months of on-time payments, which we should just have set up on auto pay anyway. And then check, you'll be able to get this credit card. Now you have to satisfy the income eligibility requiremements, which is by you how much income in, and then make sure you don't have any outstanding fees. Once you do that, they're going to allow you to get this Self Visa with no credit check at all. Now, a lot of people have built their credit with the Self. They have even rented cars and did things with Self as a regular credit card, you guys. So if you guys are at the point, it's like my credit been bad for a while, nobody give me a credit card, I just cannot pick myself up, look into this Self Visa. And again, it's on my website. You can click right here on apply now to check it out. Okay, so I like that one a lot, and they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus, which is good. Now, the next one I'm going to talk to you guys about is the credit builder card. Now, the credit builder card is very simple. It's not as complicated as, that Self was. This one is more straightforward and more to the point. So with this one right here, they're not going to give you any type of credit check at all. You're not going to have to get a credit check. They're probably going to do like a small soft pull. It's a soft pull, not a hard pull, just to verify that you're an actual person, because sometimes people try to use this for their CPNs, and I believe it still will probably work, but they just want to verify that you actually have a report and stuff like that. So with the credit builder card, they'll allow you to get 2 credit cards, no credit check. Now, you do have to put a deposit down on these, but again, we talking about building your credit. when you think about building your credit, you want to have bad credit, understand that it's stuff that you just have to do, and which putting a deposit down is one of the main things that you're probably going to have to do. But they'll allow you to put $200 down on each of your credit cards. They'll send your credit cards in the mail. But let me tell you the best part about this one. This account is going to report to the credit bureaus before you even get the credit card in the mail a lot of times. Like, that's how fast that they report. They like report every week. So if you every week they report somebody that just started. They're not going to wait a whole month. So that means that your credit is going to start being built before you even get the card in the mail. I really, really, really love that. So definitely make sure you guys look into getting a credit builder card, because this is credit card number 2 that can really help you guys build your credit. Again, if you already like not liking, like, dang, I put a deposit down. If you don't like the thought of putting deposit down, please go and get your dispute letters and start working on your credit, because maybe you can start off with $300 credit cards and watch some of my other videos. Maybe you can start off with some $300 credit cards where you don't have to put a deposit down. But I'm talking about the people that just can't get a credit card right now, and you trying to get a credit card, and you want them to not really check your credit because you know it's that bad, and every time somebody check your credit, you can't get a credit card, then that's what this video is for. Okay, and we just did credit card number 2. Now, last but not least, let's scroll down, because I'm going to show you the last one that is on my list. Now, the last one that is on my list is the Open Sky Visa credit card. Now, I personally use the Open Sky Visa credit card to build my credit. When I filed bankruptcy before, I did not go through with it, but I actually use the Open Sky to build my credit back up so that I can start having good credit. I put $1,000 down on it. You could put, I believe, $300 minimum on it, but I put $1,000 on it. And this one is a great one to help you start building your credit. They do have an annual fee for it, but at the same time, you guys are building your credit. They're going to report to the credit bureaus. They do. When you guys first try to get this credit card, let me do say this. When you do the application for this credit card, you're going to wonder, what is going on with it? Why haven't I heard from them? It's like it take a little longer to get it, but they just doing some type of, I don't know, verification or something in the background just to make sure you're an actual real person. So they'll allow you to go through all of the steps for this credit card, and maybe they're a little faster. Now, I'm talking years ago that I had this credit card. I got applied for it, but again, no credit check to apply, no credit risk to apply, and then 88% average approval rate. And I think that's because some people are trying to use CPNs again. They're doing fraudulent things, so they can't approve everybody, you know. And if you guys have CPNs and going that route, please check out videos about that in general, okay? Please check that out, because a lot of people don't understand that it's just a certain way you got to use those. But this could be a great one for you, especially, like I said, if you guys did the bankruptcy like I did and you need to try to build up your credit, this can be a great one for you. If you guys have any questions for me about these cards or any other cards, or maybe using these free dispute letters, please schedule a call. I'll be happy to help you all. And hopefully you guys use these credit cards to get approved. It should not be hard. Use these credit cards to get approved. And I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.